Now moving on to question number 19. 2x minus y is greater than 883. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? So first let us observe all the answer choices given. What we observe is that all the tables in the choices have the same three values of x. That means we have x to be 440, 441 and 442. Same thing with B and C also same thing, but only the order has been changed, 442, 440 and 441, and D also same x values, only the order is different. So the three values of x what we observe are 440, 441 and 442 for x. So what we can do, so each of the three values of x can be substituted in the given inequality to compare the corresponding values of y in each of the tables. So let us take the expression 2x minus y greater than 883. Now what we can do, let us substitute first value of x to be 440. 2 times 440 minus y is greater than 883. And 2 times 440 is 880 minus y is greater than 883. Then we can subtract 880 on both sides of the inequality. So we'll get negative y is greater than 3. Now dividing both sides of this inequality. Now since we need the value of y, we'll have to divide both sides of the inequality by negative 1. But when we divide by a negative value, we have to reverse the inequality sign. So this will become y is less than negative 3. But the inequality we have reversed. So instead of greater than, we are now having less than negative 3. So therefore when x is equal to 440, the corresponding value of y must be less than negative 3. That is one possibility. So in the table we have to choose that if the input is 440, we are getting the value of y should be less than negative 3. Next we will substitute 441 for x. So 2 times 441 minus y should be greater than 883. So again the same steps, you will get 2 times 441 which is 882 minus y is greater than 883. Now this time you will subtract 882 on both sides of the equation. So you will get negative y is greater than 1. Now dividing both sides of the inequality by negative 1. Since we are dividing by negative value, we have to reverse the inequality sign. So this time y is less than negative 1. This is the value you have to get for y. So that means when x is equal to 441, the corresponding value of y must be less than minus 1. Now the last one we will substitute, that is 442. So this time 2 times 442 minus y is greater than 883. So this will be 2 times 442 will be 884 minus y is greater than 883. Subtract 884 on both sides. So when you subtract, you will get negative y is greater than negative 1. Now you have to divide both sides of the inequality with minus 1 and you will get y is less than 1. So when start checking from the tables. Now in answer choice A, for x as 440, we are getting y as 0 and 0 less than negative 3. Is 0 less than negative 3? No, 0 is greater than negative number. So answer choice A is not correct. And same way answer choice B, for 440 we are getting 0. 0 is not less than negative 3. So B is also not correct. And then answer choice C. Answer choice C, for 440 we are getting negative 2. Negative 2 is not less than negative 3. Negative 2 is in fact greater than negative 3. So that is also not correct. And answer choice D is therefore our answer. So you can see that for 440 we are having negative 4. Negative 4 is less than negative 3. That is satisfied. And 441, y should be less than negative 1. So we know that negative 2 is less than negative 1. So that is also true. And finally for 442 as an input 0, 0 is less than 1. That is also true. So all the three are getting satisfied in only answer choice D. So answer choice D gives values of x and their corresponding values of y that are all solutions to the given inequality. Actually, for this, if you want, you can just solve even for just 440. With that itself, we can eliminate A, B and C actually. And then you can therefore choose D. But just for more clarity, we have solved for 441, 442 as well, just to be completely sure of the answer. So I hope that's clear.